say that you've always been true. Looking in your eyes, I see you lie. You're trying hard to hide that someone you've wanted. You want me to believe that you still care. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? No, you can't even say that you will stay. And how could you say you love me when you won't go and leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I love you more than anyone can do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of loving you. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love